Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the installation of a contactor, integrating it with a relay for safe, 230-volt operation. Let's get started. We begin by mounting the contactor, but since it operates at 230 volt, we need to add a relay for safe switching. First, we connect the relay to the PIERRE controller, assigning it to output pin 16. After that, we wire the GND connection, ensuring proper grounding. With these steps completed, the relay is now controllable. Next, we connect the relay to the contactor, providing the neutral wire to the contactor. Following this, we wire the relay's normally open NO terminal to the contactor's open terminal, allowing the relay to control the contactor switching. Finally, we extend the line connection to the auxiliary relay, ensuring it has the necessary power to operate. With all connections secured, we power on the system. The power supply indicator lights up, the PIERRE controllers activate, and the display initializes, confirming that everything is receiving power correctly. Now we open the PIERRE Partner app to configure the new setup. We select the controller where the contactor and relay are connected, which in this case is our second PIERRE unit. The app confirms the active connection, and we proceed to the Outputs section. We add a new electrical outlet, naming it Outlet, and assign it to the kitchen dashboard. Since the relay is wired to pin 16, we select it as the control output. After saving the settings, we switch to the kitchen tab where the newly added outlet control is now visible and fully functional. Now that the contactor is integrated, we test its operation. The system successfully controls the lamp, managed by the display, the contactor, switched by the first controller, Light 1, controlled by the first PIERRE unit. Everything operates in perfect synchronization, demonstrating the smooth integration and interoperability of the PIERRE ecosystem. With this setup, we have successfully installed a contactor, integrated a relay for safe operation, and configured the system within the PIERRE app. Thank you for joining us at PIERRE Academy. See you in the next video.